Yeah, all right, Spud. We've just done a little bit of padding. So
Yeah, well, look, now the Wobblers, Stevie, this is for the guy, the criteria for the listeners out there, someone that drinks their own bathwater, just absolutely blows their own trumpet. Love bites in the mirror.
How long's this one been going?
This one's been going now for 6 years, and a couple of the past winners really did get the brace and bits. Mark Robinson cracked it, Gerard Whateley cracked it. I don't know why, it's a great award. But anyway, they didn't take it lying down, it's fair to say, Steve. Anyway, they were going to be nominated, but they didn't quite get in. But JB's an early nomination because of these.
I'm in the Hall of Fame,
Selfie Gate. Remember Selfie Gate? You've played golf and the golf ball hit you, and it was a promotion for Oakley Sun Pub as well.
It was.
It got 300,000 Twitters, so the Oakley Sunnies and the bags went in. Then we had Jim Gate, when after North lost, JB thought he'd get on the treadmill with all the players, but Drew Petrie there.
2 nominations. He's red
Then
hot
there was
favourite.
Birthday Gate after a great win. This has been all the kids come in when the players have just busted their boiler, right? Oh, sorry, Brad Scott, when you're going through those hardball gets, it's my husband's birthday. All the players have to sing happy birthday. Can you look at him?
True story, Stevie.
Tell him.
Is that a true story?
Stevie.
That is true, Jim.
Stevie.
True.
True story.
Wasn't my finest.
Anyway, so then there was Siddlegate. He despised his
You were
presidents.
a lock for
And he
this.
went down to
I'm in the
Hobart.
Hall of Fame, Spud. I can't win
I
it.
put myself in there because Gary detected a bit of chomper.
You've got a whole new deck.
I've
And speaking
got
of that,
4.
Stevie, no one better to judge a set of chompers than you.
Yeah, no, very good. The crest of the wave, I have got ahead of myself, so I've put myself in there. Warrior, hair straightener on the footy show every Thursday night for 15 minutes, gets that little top knot there, the merino top knot, and gets the hair straightener on it. See, actually, put your head back again, look at it. It's just sitting there, shave it off, dickhead. Just real. You're looking at your hair in the morning. Come on, mate. Hang in there. Come on, come for a ride with me. His wife said to the kids, "Can we go for a walk with you, Warrior?" He looks out, too windy today. Haven't got much left. But anyway, you are always a nomination, especially early on. Broke the biggest story in the world, you know. It was the Essendon one, and he stands up there with his iPad. The boys, you know, when Damien's got something loaded, he goes over his own little iPad, the big screen. The last 8 weeks when you see him sitting next to what do you got today, Warrior? Oh, a couple of little tidbits. And, you know. So when he's on his own, he's loaded. Yeah. When he's on the footy show panel, he's got... So, I've got to put Das in there for the mud flap, but look, the Chief was a late nomination, double paid spread yesterday. Yes, it was amazing, but...
Well, where are we going?
Well, look, this nomination here, I've got to put my glasses on because I can't look at too many people, but Shane Crawford won road from Melbourne, Jono, to Perth. Now, what he did, he had a backside on him. He had a backside on like a baboon's ass, Crawford, sitting on a bike for a month. So he gets over there, and the footy show was magnificent. He wakes up the next morning, gets a little latte, probably strong macchiato, just so you know, it was a really tough ride. Opens up the Western Australian Times, and there's an article called...
What's the headline?
Desperate Dick. It was about, well, I'm recruited from Kyabram, okay? Pan chose me old Benny Paper. I was born in Tassie, tick off, tick off. So anyway, it was all about, yeah, but... Look, I need this, and look, hand over here. Every year we get this, second week of the finals, 94, so I'm sure you've heard it, Jono. Last player to kick 10 goals in the final at the G. And yes, the guy over there in France, the unnamed soldier, it's then got next to his player. Gary Lyon did kick 10 in 94. So when you go over to France, up the old Champies there, and the unnamed soldier, G. Lyon, 10 goals. And, you know, it was just... You know, we all know about it, but actually, man, but there was a 12-page spread, but the one that really caught my eye was this. It was, look at it, John. I look the collar up. I'm on the G and I'm, anyone else? I'm the last one to kick 10 goals in the final. I'm looking around, there's no one. But then, Then I went down. The hands are giving the plums a massage. And then he's got half a Woody. He's gone, yeah. I've nailed it. Have a look at me. So, the inaugural Wobblet Warrior over here. The Brownlow Medal presentation, won it last year, Warrior. Just a quick presentation to Gary on behalf of. Hang on. So we blow our own trumpet here, Jono.
Come on.
You have to. And I tell you what, Gary will help you to sign those.
No, he will not. Honestly. Thank you, Spud. I feel privileged to have joined such luminaries as Mark Robinson and has Warrior won this?
Yeah, he's won it.
He has.
JB won it.
JB
I'm in the Hall of Fame.
So I wear it with pride. Do I have to wear it all day? So I can't quite.
No, you won't. But just wear it till you had break.
No,
Yeah.
it's 2.5 quarters too. So.
Yeah.
What was your words to describe this
No,
particular
look, it's
shot?
smarmy, sort of wistfully, real sort of cocky. Look, real cocky bastard. Real cocky Melbourne bastard. Get up here at the Melbourne Standards, mate. Have a look at me. 10 goals in the 94 final. Look, mate. Plums and massaging. I'm going to want to look at me. Oh, gee, I'm going to
Get him off,
I'm going to look at me. Have a look at it.